How to recover a disabled Facebook account. Hey everyone, if you're wondering how you can do that, let's find out in this video right here. First of all, you're going to have to open any web browser. This will work on both PC or your phone, so go ahead and open up your browser. And on your browser, you're just going to have to search for Facebook Help Center or Facebook Support. And once you have searched for it, it will take you directly to your help center. Go ahead and open it up. Tap on the first link that you see. And now from here, you are just going to have to go ahead and search for disabled account. So go ahead and search for disabled account and hit enter or search. Now choose the first option. My personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. And here on this article, you can find out that you can appeal the suspension within 180 days. If you don't appeal this within this time frame, then your appeal isn't successful and will permanently disable your account. So make sure that you do this within those 180 days mark. Now, why this might have happened is because posting content that doesn't follow their community standards, or you can misinterpreting your identity in order to mislead or deceive others. So all of these are fall under their community standards. Make sure that you haven't done anything wrong. So if you don't think this article was helpful, tap on no and then click on other. Now here on can you say more, you're gonna have to ask for their help. Now, if you want to appeal for your suspension, go ahead and tap on login to Facebook by tapping on it. And make sure that if you are logged out of your account, then you will automatically be prompted to appeal within those 180 days, as it says here on their article. So that's pretty much it, guys. You could also additionally add your problem here, give them your email, tell them that you've done nothing wrong, and then appeal for your disabled account. They will contact you back on your email and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.